My name is Fran Avili and I am with YKK USA. Today we're here to introduce our NATULON product that is manufactured in the United States. YKK is very proud to be part of the sustainability movement that is happening in the jeans industry. And because of that, we're now launching our NATULON product. So what's one of the great features of our product is that the tape is actually made from recycled PET bottles. Because of the great demand that we've seen from our customers and because of the jean industry, we've decided to manufacture here in the United States, and it's one of the things that we're very proud of in YKK. Besides being manufactured in Macon, Georgia, we're also bringing this to Anaheim, California. So for all of our customers that are in downtown LA area, we're able to deliver within 3 to 5 days. YKK is known for its quality zipper, and we have gone above and beyond to make sure that we have tested our NATULON products, and you will not see any differences. So our NATULON products can go through any wash, and you will see that it withholds the same strength. NATULON zipper made in the USA is available in size 4-5 and in 5 different finishes. It's available in gold and brass, antique gold, antique silver, nickel silver, and anti-nickel silver. Sustainability is very important to YKK. Did you know that 3,600 plastic bottles make 10,000 NATULON zippers? In the past 5 years, we have saved millions of plastic bottles. This shows how YKK is committed to help save our environment.